Learn to cook Palak Paneer. Clean and de-seed 2 jalapeno peppers. If you are unfamiliar with this dish, it's basically spinach and an Indian cottage cheese. It is also a keto recipe. Once de-seeded, chop it into pieces. In a large pot, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add your jalapeno peppers and 10 cashew nuts. Simmer for a minute or 2. Add 4 cups of washed spinach. Sauté until the spinach is wilted. Once wilted, add the mixture to a blender. While it's blending, add a couple teaspoons of water to make sure that it's blended and smooth. Chop 1 onion fine. Chop 1 tomato fine, or you can blend it. In a medium pot, add 1 tablespoon of oil and butter. Once melted, add a 1/4 teaspoon cardamom, 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds, and 1/2 teaspoon 5-spice. You can also add cinnamon. Once fragrant, add your onions. Sauté until your onions are transparent. Add 1 teaspoon of both garlic paste and ginger paste. Mix it together. Add your tomatoes and a little bit of salt. Simmer until the tomatoes are cooked. Add 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix well and then add your spinach. Once mixed, add 1/2 cup of water. Simmer an additional 5 minutes or so, but do not overcook it. For a smooth sauce, take a hand mixer and blend it together. I'm using an organic paneer cheese. Chop it into 1-inch cubes and add it to the spinach. Mix and it's ready to serve. For other great Indian dishes, watch my videos on keto naan bread and butter chicken. You can serve them all together and it's delicious.